Music producers, Curtis King, CurtisKingBeats.com, and today I want to do a quick breakdown of one of my new favorite addictions called SPLICE. Music producers, as you know, I deleted all my sounds and I am starting from scratch. I was definitely in need of some kind of subscription model or something that would allow me to get as many sounds as I had before, and not just as many sounds, because I've been wanting to cut down my sounds anyways. I needed quality sounds. This is not a paid advertisement, I must say that from the beginning, but this is something I want to share with you. Now, when I did that video reaction of the Cassius J video, he spoke about SPLICE and talked about using certain melody ideas, which is something I'm kind of on the fence about. But when it comes to drums, I am addicted to getting new drums, and a website like this makes it convenient. So basically what SPLICE is a subscription model that allows you to pay for credits, and you can use those credits towards in particular sound. It's just full of so many sounds, and I'm like slapping myself in the face for sleeping on it for so long. I'm looking at it and I'm like, this is actually going to make my workflow so much easier. So let's go to the screen. So when you come to SPLICE and you sign up, first of all, let's kind of break down the plans. So the cheapest plan for 100 credits is for $7.99 per month. You basically get these credits that go on the right hand corner. You use them for every individual sound that you want. You got to use them sparingly, because if you're anything like me, you'll go through those ASAP. That's why I bought the 300 one. 300 one is $13.99, but I still went through that one like crazy. So the next one I'm probably going to up to is a $30 one, and I'll just have that going on per month, because that's 1,000 credits, 1,000 sounds. Here's the beautiful thing about it, and why I had issues already with having so many drums. I was probably only using 10% to 15% of my total 25 gig drums. It's way too many drums for one producer. I don't need all those drums. More than likely, I know my go-tos that I'm going to it. Most of the time, I'm using my own kit anyways. First and foremost, what I love the most about SPLICE is their organization. It gives you the option to basically look at the top packs, the ones that I guess are selling the most. It shows you the top labels are people who are these sound distributors that are making these packs for you, but you don't have to buy the whole pack. You ever find a kick in one particular kit that you don't want any other sounds except for that one kick because it just has this unique thump to it? Now you can look and see the unique thump in every single one of these kits at one time. Let me show you one of my favorite features. So if you go up here to the sounds tab and you go down here and you click instruments, I can instantly start clicking for whatever category that I want. So if you want brass and woodwinds, guitar, bass, keys, synth, vocals, drums, percussion, whatever you want, special effects, strings, all of that stuff is within there. I'm a drum dude, so let's go over to the drums. So if we click on it, first thing you want to do is kind of signify what exactly you want. So I'll say 808 and say I want a sub 808. It's automatically generating those for me. Say I only want a one shot and not a loop, because I'm really looking for the one shots. It gives you some of the most searched or most downloaded packs in here. But I can do that almost as if I'm searching through just the best of the best. Let me show you what I'm talking about, because I'm using my directional pad on my keyboard to go through these. That's so dope. Now if I click left, it'll play it over and over again, almost like on FL Studio. So dope to me. So let's try a snare. So we got a snare, and mind you, we can separate it by genre too. So say I want just like a really good trap snare. So we go to trap, and now that we have that here, we can go through all the trap snare sounds. How convenient is that? So basically, when you find sounds, as you can see, I downloaded a bunch of them. I ran through my 300 credits like it was nothing. But basically, when you find them, they organize it for you. So say if I wanted to take this particular, I like that layer. So if I go ahead, I can use one credit here, or I can just click here and download multiple ones as I listen to them. It's almost like having a buffet of the best drums that are out there. This is super dope. So I can either click on multiple drums and then download all those, or I could put them in my favorites by clicking on the heart, or I could just download it. So when you sign up, basically you got to download this desktop app that is the SPLICE desktop app. And basically what it does is it organizes your sounds for you. Here's the only thing that I don't necessarily like, because I had to reorganize my sounds to my liking. I'm very particular. So say if I wanted just like an 808 from one particular Sonny Digital kit, I'll have to basically go through the kit as if I owned the whole thing just to go find that one sound. So what I did was I basically reorganized all those downloads and just dragged them into one particular folder for my FL Studio. So that's probably the only thing that was a drawback, but for the most part, it's such a minor thing when I have the best of the sounds that I have listened to and I have sampled from producers all over the world, all different styles. I literally have only the best sounds that my ears like. And once you download into the app, they actually have their own cloud service that allows you to download these drums from any computer that you're at. So say you're on the move at another studio, you can download the songs right from there. I don't know how much more convenient it can get. Let me show you what it looks like once I've organized all my sounds. So I have my SPLICE kits and they're all organized by the best 808s that I particularly like. I got drum breaks, I got hi-hats, oh man. I got a bunch of things in here that are going to allow me to only pick from the sounds that are inspiring me the most, and that's important. I think sometimes we get so many sounds that we get analysis paralysis and do nothing at all. Another cool feature about SPLICE is that they have sort of a subscription model when it comes to paying for Serum. You could basically rent to own Serum for $9.99 a month and already have it in your possession. I think it's super dope to have these options and to be able to have to meticulously pick through sounds, because you're not just picking up any sounds. You're going to make sure that you use your credits wisely and that you only get the sounds that you absolutely love. How great can that be as you're making beats? So this is my new addiction. I was up till like 4 in the morning just picking through sounds and not knowing certain producers, but knowing them after I heard sounds that were like, your drums hit like that, man. But I'm super thankful for the SPLICE website. It's allowing me to jumpstart my drums and get right back in the mix as we're starting from scratch. But let me know what you guys think. If you guys have tried SPLICE before and you enjoyed it or you didn't like it, leave it in the comments. Let's share some information. Maybe there's features on here that I haven't even tapped into yet. That's just what I like the most. Somebody went to hell in on SPLICE, and I'm very happy to be a part of this community. But thank you for watching. Once again, this is Curtis King of CurtisKingBeats.com. Have a good one. Please subscribe to the channel below, Curtis King of CurtisKingBeats.com.